Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app and 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to order goods on Xianyu and 1688 Chinese shopping app without any sweat. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, it's about pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your shopping app. So I'm going to start with 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. I'm going to open up my 1688 shopping app. Then having opened up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and search for product. And there are so many ways by which you can use to search for product on 1688. One of the ways to scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more different products you product. And the best effective way is to come to the top right here and type the name of the products you are looking for, and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can click on this camera icon, which allows you to upload product picture sample, and then you are going to see a similar result. After you are able to search for product, next thing you want to do is to add the product to cart and proceed to your cart right here for the checkout. So all the product you have in the cart is going to be found right here. So I'm going to go ahead and place order for this particular one right here. I'm going to select the product. Then having selected the goods, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So here we go. So you can preview everything from the checkout right here. Right? So allow everything to load. The next thing you want to do is to choose your means of payment. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on here and choose my means of payment. And I'm paying with my Alipay right here. So select Alipay. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to payment with my Alipay. To allow the Alipay to load, then it's going to take you to payment phase, whereby you need to enter your payment password in order to complete your payment. Then I'm going to enter my payment password right here to complete with the payment. Payment done, successful on 1688, and the proof is here, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot this proof of payment right here. And lastly, I will go ahead and make sure I click on here to close this comfort. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's find out. You can see it right here. So this is how to order goods on 160. Let's find out how you order goods on Xianyu shopping app. So I'm going to access from here now. Then I'll go ahead and open up my Xianyu app. So right here. So right here, my Xianyu app. I'm going to go ahead and open up Xianyu app. So having opened up your Xianyu app, the same way you search for product on 1688, it's the same way you search for product on Xianyu. After you search for products, go ahead and communicate with the seller. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my chat box right here. I have a particular product I want to use as an example on how to place order live and direct on Xianyu right here. So once my chat box here is loaded up, so I'm going to go ahead and select the seller. So this particular seller right here, I'm going to open up our chat. So you see my previous chat with them, and they assure me that the product is very much available in stock. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and order for this good. And for that, we're going to go ahead and click on here. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. To allow the Alipay to connect, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payments. Then enter my payment password. Now payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot this part. I have to click on here to go back. Then from the chat sections right here, you see a proof that the order has been placed successfully, just like what you see right here. Now, for you to see the order you just paid for, go ahead and click on here to go back. Go back. Then go ahead and proceed to your profile right here. Getting to your profile, go ahead and click on here. Then here you go. You have the product you just paid for right here. Finally, I will go ahead and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to exit from my Xianyu right here. Then I will go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here. So this person right here contacts me for payment on 1688 and Xianyu. I'm going to open up our chat so you can see right here. So you can see my chat right there. I'm going to go ahead and show you the product link. So this is the product link before we make a purchase on Xianyu. You can see the price still remains the same right here. And at the same time, the product link on 1688 is somewhere around here. Just like what you see right here. So this is for the 1688. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on here. And I will select the two proof of payment. And I'll go ahead and send the payment done. Send is that simple. So if this is exactly you want me to do for you, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on 1688, pinduoduo, JD.com, Xianyu, Alibaba or AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.